Chapter 15 Surface Areas and Volumes. Exercise 15.4. Number 4. A container opened from and made up of a metal sheet is in the form of a cone of height 6 meter with the radii of its lower and upper ends are as 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of the milk which can completely fill the container at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. Also find the cost of metal sheet used to make the if it costs rupees 8 per meter square. Take pi value 14. Solution for this: area of a container is equal to volume of frustum formula V is equal to 1 by 3 pi of R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 into H. V is equal to 1 by 3 into pi value 3.14 plus bracket R1 square 20 square. It is also given R1 is equal to 20. Then 20 centimeter, R2 square 8 square plus R1 into R2 20 into 8 bracket close into height value 16 centimeter, 16 right as it is. Next 1 by 3 into 3.14 bracket 20 square 400 plus 8 square 64 plus 28 is 160 into 16. Next 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 400 plus 64 plus 160. 624 into 16. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 eights are 24, 208. 3.16 into 208 into 16, 3328. Then multiply 3.14 into 3328 gives rise to 10,449.92 centimeter cube. Convert into liter divided by 1000. 1 liter means 1000 centimeter cube. Then get the answer 10.449, approximately 10.45 liter. Then cost of 1 liter milk is equal to rupees 20. Cost of 10.45 liter milk is equal to 10.45 into 20. Get the answer rupees 209. Area of the metal sheet is equal to pi of R1 plus R2L plus pi R2L square. Pi taken outside. R1 plus R2 into L plus R2 square, write it in the bracket. Next, pi value is given 3.14, R1 20 plus R2 8, bracket close, L 20 plus R2 square 8 square, 3. Bracket 20 plus 8 20 into 2 20 560 plus 8 square 64, 3 4 into 560 plus 60 624. Multiply both the 3 and 624, get the answer 1059.36 centimeter square. Here cost per 100 centimeters is per rupees 8 for 100 centimeters. Then for 1009.36 is equal to into 1059.36 divided 100. 8 into 2 backward point, put a point 2 digit. It means 19.5936. Multiply it both 19.5936 and 8. Get the answer 156.75. Here L value is 20. How it comes? L is equal to R1 minus R2 whole square plus R1 20, R2 8 plus H square 16 square. 20 minus 8, 12 square, 16 square. 12 square means 144. 16 square means 256. Add it 400. Square root of 400 is 20 centimeter. So in the formula, area of the metal sheet is equal to pi of R1 plus R2 into L. That value is 20 centimeter plus R2 whole square. Totally cost is equal to approximately 156.75. Next, problem number 5. A metallic right circular cone 20 centimeter high and whose vertical angle is 60 degree is cut into two parts at the middle of its height by a plane parallel to its base. If the frustum so obtained be drawn into a wire of diameter, find the length of the wire. So, angle AOD 90 degree, we know that tan 30 degree is equal to opposite tan 30 degree. Sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Totally tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent DO by AO. Nothing but 10 root 3 divided by 3. So R1 is equal to 10 root 3 by 3. Similarly, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. So then tan 30 degree is equal to once again 1 by root 3. BO right as it is. AO is given 20 centimeter. Cross multiply it. BO is equal to 20 divided by 20 root 3 by 3. So nothing but R1 value is 10 root 3 by 3. R2 is equal to 20 root 3 by 3. H is equal to 10. Then volume of the frustum of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi h bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. 1 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into h 10 bracket 10 R1 square means 10 root 3 by 3 whole square plus R2 square means 20 root 3 by 3 whole square plus R1 into R2 10 root 3 by 3 into 20 root 3. The next step, then what is the next step? 1 into 22 3 21 bracket 10 root 3 whole square means 10 square means 100 square root 300 by 9 plus 20 100 into 3 square root of 3 whole square square root cancel 3 remaining 3 into 400 1200 by 9 then plus 10 root 3 by 20 root 3 by 3 10 into 20 100 into root 3 into root 3 whole square root cancel 3 into 200 by 3 3s are 9 into 22 by 21 into add here denominator is same, write one time only 9, write it in the denominator. In the numerator 300 plus 1200 plus 600, add it, get that 100. Then 9 is common, write one time only. 21 ones are and 21 2000 means 100. Here 10 is there, 1000. 2000, 22,000 by 9. It is a volume. Then we know that pi r square L, apply the phi r square phi L formula, volume of a cylinder. L is equal to 22,000 into 7 into 32 divided by 22 into 9. Whenever we have to cross multiply, 7 goes to numerator, 22 comes to denominator. 22,000 by 9, write as it is. Then both multiply 22,000 into 7 into 32, then it will be divided by 22 into 9, get the answer 7964.44 meter. It is the length of the wire.